Affiliate Marketing for Over 50s, a complete guide to earning passive income with blogging and YouTube. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're over 50 and looking for ways to make money, retire early, or simply reduce the physical demands of your job, you're in the right place. Whether you've spent your career in physical labor or just want to take it easier moving forward, I'm here to show you how you can start earning passive income through affiliate marketing, using either a blog or a YouTube channel. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not tech savvy, or I don't have any experience. But don't worry, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most accessible ways to earn money online, no matter your background or skill level. And the best part? You can get started today with little to no upfront costs, and once things are set up, you'll be earning passive income, meaning you can make money even while you sleep. Sounds pretty good, right? In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through how to get started with affiliate marketing, what platforms are best for you, whether that's blogging or YouTube, and how to grow your passive income streams over time. So let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? First, let's cover the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You don't need to handle customer service, manage inventory, or create products. You simply recommend products you believe in or that are relevant to your audience. This means if you've ever recommended a book, a product, or a tool to a friend or family member, you've already done something very similar. The only difference here is that you're getting paid for it. Step 1. Choosing your platform, blog or YouTube. The first big decision you'll need to make is whether you want to focus on blogging or YouTube, or both. Both platforms are great for affiliate marketing, and you can choose whichever fits your strengths and interests best. Blogging. Blogging is fantastic for those who enjoy writing and sharing their thoughts in more detail. You don't have to be a professional writer, but if you like explaining things, reviewing products, or offering advice, blogging could be perfect for you. With a blog, you can create articles on topics you're passionate about, anything from health and fitness to home improvement, hobbies, or even personal finance tips for retirees. For instance, if your niche is fitness for people over 50, you could write articles on easy exercises, review fitness gadgets, or recommend supplements. Every time someone clicks on one of your affiliate links within your blog and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. YouTube. On the other hand, if you prefer speaking or showing things visually, YouTube might be the better platform for you. You don't need fancy equipment, just your smartphone and decent lighting. You can create videos reviewing products, sharing tutorials, or even doing day-in-the-life content. And just like with a blog, you can include affiliate links in the video description. For example, you could review products you already use, like kitchen gadgets, home workout gear, or tech devices, and then link to them in the description below your video. Each time a viewer clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn money. Step 2. Finding your niche. One of the most important things you can do when starting out is choosing a niche. Your niche is simply the topic or area of expertise that your content will focus on. Choosing a niche allows you to build an audience who are interested in what you have to say and more likely to buy the products you recommend. When it comes to finding the right niche, think about your life experience and what you're passionate about. For example, if you love gardening, you could start a blog or YouTube channel reviewing gardening tools, seeds, and tips for older adults. Or if you're interested in travel, you could focus on budget travel tips for retirees, recommending things like travel gear or flight booking services. Another great option is health and wellness, which is a growing niche for people over 50. You could create content about maintaining an active lifestyle, healthy eating, or even reviewing supplements and fitness equipment. The more specific you are, the easier it is to connect with an audience who will value your recommendations. Step 3. Signing up for affiliate programs. Once you've decided on your platform and niche, the next step is signing up for affiliate programs. These programs are what allow you to promote products and earn commissions on sales. There are many affiliate networks that connect you with brands and products related to your niche. One of the easiest and most popular affiliate programs is Amazon Associates. With Amazon, you can promote almost any product they sell, from electronics to home goods to books. It's a great option because most people are familiar with and trust Amazon. Another option is Share a Sale. which works with a wide variety of companies in different industries, or ClickBank, which specializes in digital products like online courses or software. When signing up for an affiliate program, it's important to choose products that are relevant to your audience. For example, if your blog is focused on healthy living for seniors, you wouldn't want to promote tech gadgets that aren't related to your niche. Stick with products that align with your content to maintain trust with your audience. Step 4. Creating valuable content blogging. Now comes the fun part, creating content. Whether you're writing blog posts or making YouTube videos, the key to success is providing value to your audience. Think about what problems your readers or viewers are facing and create content that helps solve those problems. For blogging, your posts should be informative and helpful. Let's say you're writing an article on simple workouts for seniors. You can include affiliate links to fitness gear, like resistance bands or exercise mats, and explain how each item can help with low-impact workouts. The key is to seamlessly incorporate these recommendations into your content so they don't feel forced. YouTube. If you're making YouTube videos, the same principle applies. Create videos that are helpful and relevant to your audience. For example, if you're reviewing health products like a blood pressure monitor or fitness tracker, give a detailed demonstration of how the product works. Explain the benefits and include an affiliate link in the description. Whether you're blogging or creating videos, your goal is to provide value and build trust with your audience. When they see that you're offering honest advice and solutions, they'll be more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Step 5. Promoting your content. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to promote it. Use social media to share your blog posts or videos with a wider audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are great for promoting affiliate content, especially if you're part of groups or communities for people over 50. If you're in a Facebook group for seniors or retirees, don't be afraid to share your latest post or video. Engage with others by offering helpful tips and insights, and let them know you're sharing valuable recommendations. This way, you're promoting your content without being overly salesy. As your content starts to reach more people, you'll begin to see more clicks on your affiliate links, and with that, more commissions. The key is to be consistent. Keep producing content, promoting it, and over time you'll build a steady stream of passive income. And that's how you can start earning passive income through affiliate marketing, even if you're over 50 and looking to make life a bit easier. With blogging or YouTube, you can work at your own pace, share your passions, and build a business that generates income over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on financial freedom, and leave any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.